Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's TGIF. Yes, it is Friday. It is the last work day of the week. Beautiful weekend coming up weather-wise. Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning. It's going to be beautiful fall weather here in Northern California. All right, last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Iraq. I actually combined a few different recipes and did a bunch of research on potato kubi, or also known as Iraqi potato chop. It looks very similar to like a cottage pie and or a shepherd's pie. Just as I explained to my father last night on the phone, it just really changed the seasonings, the spices, the herbs. Yeah. If you saw the picture or the video, the potatoes are a very nice yellow. And it's not because they were yellow potatoes, but because of the turmeric and the cumin that's in them. This is a very good meal. And like I've always have said, that I always get asked, would I make this again? Yes, I will. This is good because it's very Middle Eastern spices, just in a mashed potato and a mince form. So yeah, try it. It's Friday. All right. Today, the Culinary Expedition continues again. This time, we're going to the country of Georgia. Where I am, I'll attempt it. Chakhokhbili, Billy, something like that. But it translates to pheasant. This is a traditional dish that dates back many moons. It translates to pheasant. This was originally a pheasant stew, and it's not the stew that we're used to here in the States. I did a stew earlier this week. That's not a traditional stew. But you can take any kind of poultry, chicken, turkey, you can even use more other fowl like duck in this dish because it does just translate to a pheasant-style stew. Yeah, I'm looking at notes. Or Georgian chicken stew. So this is a really simple meal. I'm looking forward to this one. Again, I combined a bunch of research and some recipes to have this particular recipe and method. So let's get to it. Got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs going on. Some real basics. Yellow onion, garlic, red bell pepper. I'm going to use about half of it. Plenty of tomatoes. I'm using Romas, as you can see. And the other basics, good old kosher salt, black pepper, olive oil, about a half cup-ish of white wine, coriander, fenugreek, and for garnish, dill, and I will be picking up some cilantro while I'm at the market today doing my weekly shopping. So as you can see, this is really simple. But I look forward to the flavors, the coriander, the fenugreek, of course, the garlic and the onion, the aromatics. So yeah, on this Friday, TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.